we're here today to talk about the conversion we've just carried out on this Polaris Ranger EV. It's a slightly older vehicle, but there's quite a lot of them out there. And they do get to a stage with the lead-acid batteries that are in them needing to be replaced. But rather than replace them with the older technology of lead-acid batteries, this one has been fully converted into lithium, which is a far better alternative. So we're here today with our Head of Electrical Department Technician, Mel.
Good afternoon.
Who's going to take us a wee bit more through how the conversion is done. So first thing would be we're obviously taking out the old batteries out of it.
Yes.
And that's getting replaced with
the lithium battery pack from RoyPow. Same capacity of battery, 115 amp hour. And if we have a quick scan towards and...
Yep, not easy to see, but we can zoom in there. That single battery replaces that was 8 of them.
8 batteries.
8 batteries that were in there
so
before.
that single lithium battery pack replaces the 8 lead acid batteries that were there. There's no maintenance to be done on that battery pack whatsoever compared to the old lead acid. The lead acid batteries had to have their fluids topped up, which was always a maintenance issue for most owners. And that's why the battery packs always ended up needing replaced. With this, no maintenance to worry about at all. Just gets charged and used.
When you do this conversion as well, it also comes with a new charger with it, so you can remove, if your charger of the machine is faulty and needs replaced, this particular conversion comes with a new charger, which is independent, just plugs into your normal 13 amp socket, and then with a new charging socket basically mounted just below the seat here, so it plugs into there for charging up. And it's basically how it was driven before, it's exactly the same, just slightly different how you get it initiated to go. Mel will quickly take you through the operation in there.
So to power up the new lithium battery system, we press and hold for 3 seconds the button there, and you'll see the new dash instrument come up, show you the status of charge. And also this button goes green. So that now tells us that the main battery pack is now live. So you do just exactly as you did before. Now switch on the ignition. The original system comes on, and you may have picked up a click there in the video of the main contactor coming in, and that's the vehicle now ready to be used. To power down the vehicle, it's the opposite from powering up. So ignition off first, and then press and hold the green button again, and then release, and it powers down.
So it will drive just as it did before. You still have your maximum range, high range and low range, and your 1, 2, 4-wheel drive. So to drive the machine is exactly the same. The other addition or thing that's taken off, the original charger is actually removed, and it's replaced with this unit here.
This unit here is a load resistor, and what the load resistor does is when an electric motor is on the overrun, it turns into a generator. So what happens is that power has to go somewhere, and this is what this does. This puts a load on the motor and stops it overloading the battery, the new battery pack that's there, and protects the lithium battery. It all goes towards this kind of no maintenance thing that we're talking about.
So another big thing to note on that as well, when you do that conversion, you've also got a new warranty as well. So on that particular battery, is it 5 or 6 years?
It's a 5-year warranty.
5-year warranty
on the lithium battery
pack.
The lithium
battery pack.
And 2-year warranty on the installation.
Yep.
So this is the new smart charger that comes with the lithium conversion. You've got one end that plugs into the wall socket and one end that plugs into the vehicle. So first, you plug it into the socket. Don't switch it on at the moment. Then you take this socket, the charge plug, and plug it into the receptacle fitted there. Make sure it's in firmly. Switch on the charger. Once you switch the charger on, this display will come up and show you the state of charge, the voltage at which it's charging at, and the current that's been put into the battery. You'll also note that the main power button for the battery pack is now showing green. So the system is technically active just now because it's getting a charge. At this point, do not drive the vehicle. Once you finish charging, first you switch it off and unplug it from the wall. Then you unplug the plug from the receptacle. And if we look at the dashboard just now, see that the dash is still live, and also we have the green status button still on, which means that the battery pack is live. If you're going to immediately drive the vehicle, you could just switch on the ignition and go, but if you're going to leave it, what happens is you need to switch the battery pack off by holding that button for 3 seconds, and then it powers off. It's very important to remember to switch off the battery pack after you've finished charging.
So if you want any more information, it's a very good alternative to go into newer technology, which we can carry out here for you.